I'm going to give you a 5-minute overview of Apptizr, the best way to discover iPhone apps. When you launch the app, you'll see the home screen where you can search for apps by name, or you can discover apps through 6 different ways. Because I only have 5 minutes, I'll go through each one as quickly as I can. The main discovery method is recommendation. If you have an account, you can log in, or you can type in the name of an app like Pandora. But because I like to eat out, let's look for restaurant apps. It's then gonna ask you what other type of apps you like. So let's say entertainment, lifestyle, and dining. And click on next, which then the recommendation algorithm goes to work and basically fetches the top recommended apps that matches the interests. So you can click on each app and it tells you why it made the recommendation. You can also swipe through to scroll through the different apps that interest you. If you find an app that you like, you can click on you like it, and it will move it to a bookmark called My Apps. If you already own something, you can do the same thing. When you say you like or own something, it moves the app to the My Apps list, but also the recommendation algorithm will be adjusted to show you more apps that's similar to the ones that you say you like or you own. The other thing, if you say that if you find an app that you like, you can also share it easily via either email, or there's also a way to share via Twitter if you have a Twitter account, or Facebook via a Facebook account. If you find something you like, you can also click on similar apps, where it would bring up other apps that's like the one that you're currently looking at. There's you can swipe through to view the screenshots, or there's a play button if you're lazy like me, and then you can just wait for the slideshow to play. Let's go back, and basically for each of the main functionalities, there's an info button. If you click on it, it's a little mini tutorial where you can read about what you can do, what that functionality is about. So we've already talked about the My Apps list, which is basically bookmarks of apps you said you own and apps you like. Cool thing here too is that if you say you like a particular paid app and it goes on sale, you'll get an alert telling you that it's now on sale, so you can download it for free. My Tastes is where you can basically tell Apptizr explicitly what categories and subcategories you're interested in or not interested in. You can save it, and the recommendation engine will dynamically change. And for the categories that you pick, you can actually go in and specify what subcategories you're also interested in. So other than the recommendations, there are actually 5 other ways you can discover apps. The live feed is a way for you to discover apps through what other community members like. So this is in real time what other Apptizr users are saying they like or they owned. This is a great way to discover apps you would not otherwise know about. Friends is a way to do the same thing for just people that are your Facebook friends or you're following. You can add a friend through community. We'll take a quick look at that later. You can browse through apps by category, and for any given category, you will actually see related topics or subcategories in here. So for example, if I'm interested in just in stocks related apps, I can browse this way. I can also browse through related topics to what I was looking at. At any given point in time, you can click on a home icon to come back to the home screen. Hottest apps is a great way to look at what are the apps that's moving up the ranks quickly. These 3 lists are similar. You can filter by free or paid, and then the default is all categories, but you can go in and add a filter. If you're only interested in a particular category, you can add a filter, and it would filter out the apps only in that category. The top apps are similar, but just top ranked apps. The on sale apps are the ones that's currently on sale for either free or reduced priced. And you can click on community to look at the top top users, or you can add friends via Facebook or via Bump. That's it.